So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate this kind of satisfying ASMR cake cutting videos inside object, and I'll be showing you how you can take help from ChatGPT to give you the unlimited prompt for any kind of product. And also then I'll be showing how you can give this prompt inside the follow or Gemini chat to generate these videos. So first of all, you will be needing a prompt, and I'll be giving that in the description or comment section in my video, or you can just pause the video and take a screenshot and write it out. So now what I will be telling here, I will be telling here first to analyze the prompt. Then I will be give this prompt, and this is for a normal car Fiat 500 model, and I have explained everything here: wide angle view, ASMR with sound, everything. And then I will be telling him that now in the similar structure, so follow this structure and then give videos from 10 defined prompts for luxury cars of defined models and brands. Now I'll be just leaving enter, and it should generate me different kind of as you can see, it's not following my commands, so I'm just going to stop this and tell him that give me text prompt. Okay, now I'm going to send it. So now you can see they are giving me different kind of prompt. So he give me for Tesla Model 3, then Rolls Royce, and then Porsche 911. So let me try one prompt and let me show you how it works. So let's say we are going to use this one, Porsche 911, and we're just going to copy this. Now we'll be going to Gemini. You can do it inside the Gemini chat. Just go here and click here, and you can generate free videos. You can generate 3 free videos one day, and if you are using follow, then just create a new project, and then you can use the lowest model here, this one, VOG fast text to video with beta audio. It will charge you only 20 credit, and if you have the Gemini Pro, you will get 1000 credit every month, so you can generate about 50 videos with this credit. So just go here, paste the prompt, and just wait for it to generate. So let me wait a few moments. So now you can see the video have been ready, and if I play this, let's have a look. So this is not really 100% perfect, but you got the idea how you can do it. So the main thing you have to follow, you have to give this exact prompt, and then you can ask for different kind of car model. Then ChatGPT will generate you different kind of car models, and you can just copy and paste the prompt to show you the video. I have generated more videos here. If I can show you, let me give you an idea. So as you can see, I have different models of cars, and this one maybe I can show you. So as you can see, so that is for today guys, and you can copy and paste this exact prompt and get idea from the chat GPT and make more satisfying video using PO3. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.